have one tornado. Hi everybody, I'm Colin Hatzel and I'm a horticulturist here for the museum and gardens. I take care of the March Bank and the Glade, and I'm here to present you with a few more numbers while we're at it. Since the storm, we've tallied up the amount of trees lost, and the number comes out to about 90 plus, on top of the countless hours of labor and cleanup that has gone into re-beautifying the gardens. We'd like to thank you all so much for the support. Since the beginning of the summer, we've had about 419 renewals in membership, on top of 351-ish new members, and that's just awesome. We love that. That is great. Our membership is constantly growing, and we just really appreciate it. And I have a message from the rest of the garden department for you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.